we're gonna monster and chill. Get out of the way, bread.
Take that, bread, you fucking dick. What if in Jurassic Park?
Dinosaurs are scary, man.
Sure, okay. Look at those hard balls.
What happened to...
Milk and Thai red curry paste.
I think I'm just gonna make a ribena, you know?
Oh, lame. We have natural yogurt and mango chutney.
This is our fridge. It's kind of disorganized. Milk, butter, lettuce,
Spot the things.
Fanta, sauces.
We have an impressive amount of vegetables, actually.
Oh, loads of vegetables.
They're unhealthy.
No, we're quite healthy. Those are all vegetables down there.
Peppery radish.
Radish. I don't even know how to do anything with the radish.
He comes back with 8 pints of milk. Why? This is 4 pints, and this is another 4 pints.
Yeah, so I mean...
So we've got a lot of milk to go out.
So we've got plenty of milk.
Should we make milkshakes?
Oh, yeah, we should.
Yeah, let's make some milkshakes.
But although milk's not very good for you if you're sick.
No, it's
You
probably
probably
not
shouldn't
the
have
best
too
thing
much.
to drink. Have you heard my nose? I sound like a goose at the moment. Hello, everyone.
I almost
So
prefer
well.
you sounding that way.
I should just keep this cold forever.
Yeah, just keep it. It's good for the voice.
Should keep the camera back though. I don't want to infect the internet.
Oh, yeah. Guys,
Stay
stay
back.
away.
And you got the bubble.
Everybody wash your hands after this video, please.
Nope.